Hello everybody, I'm back with my fave Imaan, and today we're going to show you a Beyoncé and Sir John inspired purple look. What I love about this is that it's minimal, it's clean, and if the balance is right, look at how gorgeous and editorial it all looks. So this is Bourjois in Plum Girl, which looks like that. So as you can see, Plum Girl is yum yum. So this is a brand that is in Karachi and people don't use it enough. This is Photo Fix by DMGM and this is called Fuschia Bite and it's one of my favorite pinks. So you can see now we've got our pink base, but now we want to bring some purple into this. So this is MAC Ooh Lady Retro Matte. Now whenever I put down a liquid lipstick base like this, delicious as it is, I really like to get in with my finger, and I find that that's when a liquid lipstick kind of works well on our lip. See how much nicer that looks? Once I've done that and I've got it on my finger, of course I'm going to put it on a brush. Oh, it's so good looking. High blush. And then with an empty brush, buff it out. I personally would add a tiny bit of light in the middle. So this is Lovesick by KVD Beauty. And I'm just going to do it with my finger. You can see how gorgeous that is. Just going to give it a little hint of more purpleness. And of course, since we have this happening, naturally, one must. Okay, now I'm going to use Fenty Killawatt in Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. And this is this sort of off-white color, which I think is going to look gorgeous just on top of all this. And I'm going to, with my finger, just press that onto her eye, especially in here. This is very modern, very editorial. So I'm thinking I'm just going to do a brown mascara because I feel like this kind of purple looks great with the brown. So this is Bourjois Push Up Volume Glamour. And in fact, I'm just gonna, when there's not much left on this, I'm just gonna go over your brows. So it's a waterproof brown mascara, so this can kind of do that job for you. The last thing I want to do is I just want to bring in some contour, so you can see it's all about those brights. And in fact, Imaan, if you can just look up for me. So the last thing I want to do is I want to bring in just a little bit of contour, and I'm going to use a very well-loved color called Harmony, which is, as you can see, very deeply used. It's this deep sort of browny, tawny color. I'm going to do a tiny bit just on the cheeks to bring some depth. And then the same contour color I hope you found that useful, guys, and I hope we showed you that everything doesn't have to be about big lashes and liners. You can have the courage to do like 1 or 2 pops of strength, like this purple color, the highlight, bit of a brow, bit of a mascara, and that just pulls everything together. Let us know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see, and thank you so much as always for joining us.